In this video, I'll show you how to fix your system is missing important Windows security updates. Error on FaceIT Anti-Cheat AC. Method 1. Check Windows Update Settings. Press Windows key plus I to open Settings. Go to Update and Security, Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Restart your PC after updates finish installing. Method 2. Manually install required updates. Sometimes, FaceIT needs specific updates. Go to the Microsoft Update Catalog and search for latest security updates for your Windows version. Download and install any missing updates manually. Method 3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters. Select Windows Update and click Run the Troubleshooter. Follow on-screen instructions and apply fixes. Method 4. Restart FaceIT and your PC. Close FaceIT and any related programs. Restart your computer. Launch FaceIT again and see if the error is gone. Method 5. Disable third-party antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus software blocks updates. Temporarily disable your antivirus and try updating again. Don't forget to enable it back after the update. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more PC gaming fixes.